One of the most common questions we get on the blog is, can I customize the look of an embedded Google form? Now, traditionally or natively, the short answer for this is no, it's not possible, but let me show you what I mean. If you're building a custom React or Next.js web app and you drop a standard Google form into the dark mode UI, it looks something like this. You cannot pass your local CSS through Google's iframe, but today I'll show you how to remove that iframe entirely and render a perfectly styled, professional, native looking Google form in about 2 minutes using Formfacade. So instead of dealing with iframe hacks, we're going to be using Formfacade by heading over to formfacade.com/enhance. And once you're into the website, just go ahead and click on try it free. It will ask you for a quick Google login if this is your first time. And once you're in, go ahead and click on customize your Google form. This is the current Google form that I'm going to be using that looks at Agentic AI platform early access that asks 3 simple questions: the email address, the name of the user, and what they're building. One crucial step along this way is to keep your Google form published and just go ahead here and copy in the responder link. Head over back to Formfacade and paste in the particular Google form. Formfacade here automatically extracts your form fields and schema so we can style it natively. Once it loads in, just go ahead and click on preview so that we can take over the control of the UI. Now when I come in here, you can obviously switch between the minimal option or the colorful one. I'm going to be selecting colorful one and coming down and selecting indigo dark so that it absorbs cleanly into my Next.js background. Notice that you can additionally change the primary color, the background. You can even set the background settings. You can have a custom background image. You can also tweak the typography settings here by selecting specific headings, selecting the paragraph style, or even adjusting the font size so that this strips away the default Google branding and it makes it look more professional and suitable for your use case. Once you are done with the tweaking and changes to your form, just go ahead and click on apply. And this is what your form is going to be looking like. And once you're done, go ahead and switch over to the share tab. So to get this into our app without an iframe, we're going to be clicking on Embed, followed by clicking on Embed in my React.js web app. In a few seconds, Formfacade gives us the exact npm package and the React component. Let's go ahead and copy in this code. So in my anti-gravity IDE, after running a quick npm install, I'm just going to be replacing my old iframe block with the new Formfacade embed component directly into my Next.js page. Once you're done, go ahead and click on save. And when we head back to our original website, the form renders as native HTML. You can see that the dark theme is flawless, the text is crisp, and it looks like a custom coded backend component while still routing all of my data to a secure Google Sheet. And there you have it. You just saw how simple it was to take a regular Google form, customize it and embed it into your React.js website using Formfacade. If you're looking to deploy professional forms, brand aligned forms into your web apps, check out the link in the description and try Formfacade for free today. And I'll see you in the next one.